I just decided to put my camera on and say everything I could say. If I could just say it. And when it rains, well, you always find an escape, just running away from all of the ones who love you, from everything. You made yourself look bad at the bottom of the blackest hole, and you sleep till May, and you'll say that you don't wanna see the sun anymore. No, how could you do it? I never saw it coming. No, I need the ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? Take these chances to turn it around. Just take these chances, we'll make it somehow. And take these chances to turn it around. Just turn it around. No, how could you do it? I never saw it coming. No, how could you do it? I never saw it coming. No, how could you do it? I never saw it coming. No, I need an ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? You can take your time, take my time. But, I guess I'll just do this.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Bye.
And so much